Hey guys, it's Tony. Good morning. Keep in mind the last time we talked about NIO was back on October 27th, where I told you guys either we break trend and go to the downside, or we stay on trend, which we're doing right now, and we go back to the top side of that downtrend, which I think NIO is going to be doing. In that top side of the downtrend is around $45 and like 20 cents, somewhere around this area. Also, if you break out of this, there's like a 99% chance we're going to 54 bucks. So as of right now, super bullish on NIO. The weekly is super bullish. The month is actually going to break bullish, possibly this month or next month. I think there's more of a chance that NIO closes a bullish month in December as opposed to the end of November, unless you do have that break of trend and you keep running to the high side. So the weekly is still 100% bullish. You have all this room to run on the stochastic, which I think can be, essentially a replication of what happened here, right? You ended up running from 32 bucks to where you are now at 42. So I think you can definitely run another $10 from here. So from 42 bucks, I think you can see $52 in maybe the next, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe the next month or so. I can definitely see NIO going to 52 bucks by, late December probably. So definitely bullish on NIO right now. I think NIO is doing extremely well. And I think it's going to keep pushing. I think it's going to break that downtrend sometime in the next week or two. If it doesn't break it this week, then I think there's a really strong chance that it breaks it next week. On the daily, it does want to it looks to be a little bit overextended or overbought on stochastic, which is completely fine. But I really want to see what happens when you close another bearish day, because last time that happened was on October 21st and then again October 26th, and all you ended up doing was kind of trading sideways. So if anything, I expect NIO, if it does close a bearish day, to really just kind of trade a little bit higher sideways or just sideways. I do not think that it's going to drop. Keep in mind, if this trend gets broken on the lower side, you're going all the way back possibly to 40 bucks and then again somewhere to like $36 maybe. But as of right now, everything on NIO looks extremely bullish. I would not be surprised if in the next month we see a $54 NIO. More than likely, I will wait for confirmation. Once we actually see NIO break this downtrend, I'll probably end up buying calls for like 54 bucks on NIO just to play this out. But yeah, I think it's a really good idea to just keep an eye on NIO for now. And also, the really good part is, if it ends up, also if it ends up breaking that 54.39 relative high, you can also use the breakout strategy, right? And if that happens, you're basically now, playing NIO to go to 70 bucks within another month. So after this gets broken, use a breakout strategy and basically play it for, $69, $64 will probably be your first TP. 69 is going to be your second. Third TP is probably going to be like 74 or something. So it's all around a really good play on NIO to keep going up, because there's a lot of things that you can really do right now. And again, you can probably run the X pattern on this too, right? So, overextension up here. Well, you already have the X, right? You already have that X right here. So you would have the retrace right here, the high peak, and you would have it run like this, like that. So technically, you would take the trade, from here once it breaks, possibly all the way up to like here, and then once it actually breaks the 54 mark, you can use the breakout strategy to run it higher. So there's a lot of things that you can do here, right? And the breakout strategy and the X pattern is definitely two solid ways that you can trade NIO right now. So I'll see you guys later. Super bullish. My price target as of now would probably be $54 by like late December. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.